Pastimes and activities. At the movies.
We'd like 2 tickets for the 3:30 show, please.
Here you go. Enjoy the movie.
Would you mind moving over one so my friend and I can sit together?
No, not at all.
Thanks a lot.
Language notes. The 3:30 show. Movies are shown at different times throughout the day. This refers to the movie that starts at 3:30. Notice the emphasis on 3:30. Enjoy the movie. Notice how the intonation rises on movie. This is said in a friendly way and is followed by an exclamation point. Would you mind is a polite way to ask, can you do something for me? Notice the verb ends in ing. Compare this structure to would you mind if I plus a verb that ends in ed. Would you mind if I opened the window? Moving over one. Here, one is short for one seat. No, not at all is a way of saying, no, I don't mind, or I will be glad to. Notice the answer to would you mind is in the negative form.